Hello and welcome. I have a special treat this week and it's called 7 Days to Losing Weight and Keeping It Off for Good. I'm going to share with you 7 hot tips to help you lose maybe some inflammation, maybe a little joint pain, and maybe a little weight, and possibly sleep better too. So you can feel better overall for the new year. So hot tip number 1 is no food after 7 p.m., period. Hot tea, hot lemon water, hot lemon water with a sprig of fresh thyme is delicious and tastes like candy. Anything that you can just sip on through the night to help yourself wind down and relax and sleep well would be a great way to start feeling better fast. We want to rest and repair and build muscle and build hormones and neurotransmitters and dopamine and serotonin while we sleep, not digest food. If we are digesting food through the night, our body will wake up tired. Then we need coffee and the vicious cycle begins. So if you can, this would be the best place to start. No food after 7 p.m. I know you can do it. And the other way that we do it is by having a very nice, well-balanced dinner. So if our dinner is full of veggies and proteins and fats, we'll probably be pretty satiated and won't even need a nighttime snack. Please share how that goes for you. And I know based on experience with myself and my clients, that is the number one fastest way to drop weight, to sleep better, and to wake up feeling refreshed. I wish you much success with that, and I would love to hear about it. And please subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell so you get a notification each day that I post a new hot tip for 7 days. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.